well, we're not driving the Magna today because it's fucking raining. But we are in the Yoda, so kind of fun can we get into today? I don't know, but I'm already late for work. Alrighty, I don't even have my seatbelt on. Be responsible, young man. Oh shit. So Dallas, want to tell everybody how you feel?
I feel excited. I got this one paid off.
Feel like a brand new man.
Yes, yes. I got to keep my license. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. That's what you get for riding without having a license.
Get me rolling. Yeah, trying to get a subscriber on here, you know, doing everything we can. Let's go on, man. What is that?
Oh, here it is.
Big booty Asian porn, huh?
Yep. You know what? That's what I like.
Hit that fucking subscribe button, damn it! Yeah! And then with the paper towels.
We need to get me build it and dust like that.
But basically, all I want to do though is like, look at paper towels and make him like a UFC belt. Put him around here. He's got the magnet over here on this shoulder. He's gonna put over here. What else did you race? What else you got in your belt?
We'll have to do that. We'll go there. We'll get a WWE
Oh, we got Jigs.
belt.
Oh, Hunter just got called out.
No, we gotta get him a belt, and then when I smoke his ass, throw it off.
I'm gonna eat that R1 up. You ready for this? Huh?
CBR RR 954 R1 2003.
Knock it or not,
almost
so
built.
we beat your ass.
I'm gonna dust that garbage.
We'll see. I'll even put it in the junkyard first, sell it for $100 and smoke your ass.
It's on.
I think it's just because that's the tire. Like, the farther down you get, he's like, there's a lot of gap there. I said, there ain't that much gap when it's down in the door. There ain't hardly any gap in the door. Damn, fucking stuff. Shit, liar.
So what do you think it's gonna come down to?
Saying fucking grind it.
Yeah.
But he said depending how much it wore down, would depend. He's like, if it wore down too much, it's still, you know, it could still stay loud. I'm like, I just don't see they took that much material off. I would hope they were smart about it.
I mean, think they. How much did it cost you to do that?
$25, $30. It's just to hone it out real quick. It takes 5 minutes if that.
It's just finding if that, you know, whoever was doing it was being an asshole that day.
I'm gonna call him and be like, how much material do you think takes off when you hone them out? I'm gonna ask him if they used the bead or the spring loaded.
Cause how much did you say it cost you if he does it?
$25, $35.
No, I'm saying no. If they took off too much.
They took off too much. Like if they took, how much is it gonna cost me to rebuild it?
Yeah.
At least $1,500 probably. Because it's $1,000 just to have the cylinders done. Because if I'm that far, I'm just gonna put new head studs in it too. That's cheap. That's $8 a stud, but still, there's 8 of them.
Right.
So new studs, new pistons, new rings again.
Cha-ching, cha-ching.
There's plain.
Look at that. We got this shit for free though. Hey man, that's Chick-fil-A for free, bro.
I don't like biscuits.
Oh, get out of here. Dallas like biscuits? Look at that, dude, for free. I don't know, man. I don't know what we do, but for some reason people like us. We'll take it. Send more free food. And then VTEC. Yeah, the screws in there. Oh, perfect. Yep.
Seal your butt cheeks around it and fart right down that side.
Right, I need to.
If you can somehow light it, I bet you it'd go through.
That's what I heard.
Metz? Oh,
Martha
yeah,
Metz. Pekingese, hyperactive.
Good set of bitches.
She's got a good set of bitches. Oh, it is $2.
I'd love to see your bathroom. Hundreds.
God damn, do you see his bedroom? He's got like 50 pillows in there.
You done with that?
He must be doing good.
Yeah, I'm done with it. Covered in shit. Okay.
It's draining slowly but surely.
Looks like about the same as it was the last time I came over here.
He says it's draining. I said, knows it's nuts. Getting that crack.
Getting that sumbitch worked on right now, baby. Front seat of the car. Front seat's just as good as a lift.
Don't need it.
Rolling. Fast.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,